super easy. I'll do some yellow one. You can layer them on the top. They're so super freaking thin. You don't even have to remove the tacky layer. Just place them right on. Use them both. They're so fun to do. Maybe I do a chubby bunny. So easy to do. And let's do a little flowers right here and cute. With the long nails, but with short nails you can do whatever you want. It's like it's you doing your two cute stickers. It's already filled the nails. With the long nails you can do however you want it. I think it just look like an Easter egg hunt, you know. Maybe I should do, here I have a little carrot right there. Cute little butterflies. Oh, I have a little, tiny little carrots right there. Completely feel good. Look at that. It's so cute. So I am going to actually encap it to double secure with condensed glue gel. Sorry. I'm gonna give it a little pressures on my twin tip brush. I'm gonna cap hole and tie the nails. And a no wipe top coat. Now I'm gonna put some crystals on it. Ruby rose. And yellow. Ruby browns. You want to add something else on it? You can. It looks so cool and stunning. It's simple, but then it's super easy. Looks really trendy though. I don't want to mess it up. It looks good. Great. So I'm gonna keep it under LED lamp for about 60 seconds. This is 2 out of like 18 different designs. I know I really like this one too. Also like this because the egg is so vibrant. Others, we did this 2 kind yesterday. It's so fun. This is really great for any colors you have a background too. Like if you have a bright neon colors, this is stunning. Also, if it's super cute. If you have yellows, it's gonna look good. This one looks stunning too. So cute. And then look at this one. She's so adorable. She have a crowns on her. I know, it's like, is this one like cute now? They're all so cute and like a little chick. So cute, and it fit perfect in the nails, and it's like really small and have a bigger size and smaller size. That's why upside down. So cute. Yes. Like too bright. I can't see. I can't read that. Hey Linda, how are you? I am going to get this one out and make sure I double secure this design before I move on to the next ones by using a precision glue. Probably I might not needed it because the smaller size, but sometimes you never know, it might have right here closer to the cuticles. This might get some you know, the scratchy and just squeeze a little bit. Next time you're using just a smaller, when you squeeze it out, that's how much it's come out for you. Here for 60 seconds, and it's now completely done. Should we do all in theme of sticker? It's funny because we have all others designs as well, but today is maybe I should dedicate for all stickers. You let me know if you want to see more stickers. So then we do it sound fun because usually I don't do all like 100% of sticker. Oh, thank you, Money Back. Hey, how are you? Hi, UA. Thank you, Sarah, for sharing it, your code. Okay, done with this. Let's move on to the next one. I have some of these designs right there. Okay, it's so cute.